Right, assalamualaikum everyone. So Luna Classic is kind of popping up, and I have been telling you that I do expect a pop to the upside, and that's the video yesterday. And look at this, okay? Look at that. Pop up, come for the retest. It's actually doing that, and I've never actually bothered uh, doing anything to the chart pattern. So look at this. Yes, the break has happened. This is definitely a break at the moment for Luna Classic. So I do expect just a very small touchdown, probably to 12,346 for the retest on that trend line. And while Bitcoin is still sideways like this, right, with every drop of Bitcoin, you may see the retest, and a little bit of pump of a Bitcoin on the sideways can actually push it up and then make it come down when Bitcoin actually consolidates down. So yes, as long as Bitcoin is not going to make some drops, that's we can actually see Luna Classic dropping as well. So it really depends on how Bitcoin is going to behave, of course. So the next thing that we may be looking at can actually even be all the way to the top. Who knows? This is a whole pattern that you broke. Honestly, to be very, very honest, it really makes sense to kind of push all the way up here. But let me put a little bit of a break over there, okay? There's this one pattern that if you break above that pattern, you know, I do see some little bit of inverse head and shoulder. I don't know if you noticed this, but there's like this little bit of a left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder going on, or maybe just a almost like a rounded kind of bottom here. So if you do break above and come up to 14,000 and go above 14,000, then this is where we may actually see Luna Classic just going up to 18,000 if that really happens, and that's going to be a push above, and you're looking for 29%. I can actually see this happening before we drop with Bitcoin. Who knows, we can even go above 27,000 and just keep on climbing to 31,000. This is a target that still was never met, 32,000. I do hope it does go up there, but we're going to see what happens in the future. And your stop, I think, really makes perfect sense to be careful if Luna Classic drops to 11,097. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.